Hello defense aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel chess number 24. So this is a video of current affairs. Okay, let's begin. Exercise Desert Hunt 2025. It is a tri-service special forces exercise between para commandos of Indian Army, Marine Commandos Marcos of Indian Navy and Garud Special Forces of Indian Air Force. This exercise is conducted from February 24 to 28, 2025 at Air Force Station, Jodhpur. Next, the exercise Sea Dragon 2025 is a naval exercise. It is a multilateral marine warfare drill hosted by United States Navy's 7th Fleet. This exercise includes India, Japan, Australia, South Korea, in addition to United States. This exercise is conducted at Guam Coast in the West Pacific Ocean. Next exercise is Exercise Desert Flag 10. It is an air combat exercise hosted by UAE Air Force. Indian Air Force has deployed its MiG-29 and Jaguar aircraft. The participating countries were Australia, Bahrain, France, Germany, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Republic of Korea, Turkey, UAE, United Kingdom, United States of America, and Indian Air Force. Next exercise is Exercise Khanjar. It is a 12th edition. It was first started in 2011. Exercise Khanjar is conducted between India and Kazakhstan joint forces. From Indian contingent, the parachute regiment were participated, and from Kazakhstan contingent, the Kazakh Scorpion Brigade was participated in this exercise. This exercise happened at Tokmok, Kazakhstan. Next exercise is exercise Dustlik. The 60 personnel represented the battalion of Jat Regiment and Indian Air Force has participated in this exercise along with the Uzbekistan Army contingent. This exercise conducted at Aumd, Pune. Next exercise is Exercise Khan Quest 2025. It is its 22nd edition. It is a multinational peacekeeping exercise held at Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia. This exercise involves military contingents of 24 countries and 40 members of Indian Army contingent primarily represented by Kumaon Regiment. Next is the Indian Air Force conducted a combat training exercise. The training exercise includes combat craft drops, para jumps, and helocasting jump from aircraft into water using AN-32 and C-130 aircraft and Mi-17 helicopters. This exercise was witnessed by National Cadet Corps cadets in Shillong, and this program was conducted at Umiam Lake in Shillong, Meghalaya. Next exercise is Exercise Shakti. It is its 8th edition. This exercise is between India and France. This exercise is held at Camp Larzac Cavalry in France. In this exercise, the Indian contingent, 90 personnel of Battalion of Jammu and Kashmir Rifles, supported by persons from Arms and Services, and from French contingent, 90 personnel of 13th Foreign Legion Half Brigade. Next exercise is Exercise Nomadic Elephant. It is conducted between India and Mongolia. This is its 17th edition. It is conducted at Special Forces Training Unit Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia. Indian contingent comprises 45 personnels, primarily troops from Battalion of Arunachal Scouts. The Mongolian Armed Forces contingent was represented by 150 Special Forces Unit. Next exercise is Exercise Drone Prahar. It is conducted by Indian Army at military station Rayan in East Siong district of Arunachal Pradesh. Next comes with naval exercises. Next exercise is Exercise Simbex 2025. It is its 32nd edition. This exercise is conducted between India and Singapore Navy. In this exercise, Indian Navy INS Satpura, INS Delhi, which is a destroyer, INS Kiltan, and INS Shak from Singapore Navy, RSN Vigilant and RSN Supreme were participated in Simbex 2025. Next exercise is Exercise PASEX 2025. It is a exercise between Indian Navy and United Kingdom's Royal Navy in the North Arabian Sea. Indian Navy deployed INS Tabar, a submarine, and a P-81 long-range maritime patrol aircraft. Royal Navy participated with its aircraft carrier HMS Prince of Wales and frigate HMS Richmond. Next exercise is Exercise Bongo Sagar. It is conducted between Indian Navy and Bangladesh Navy. This exercise saw the participant of INS Ranveer from Indian Navy and BNS Abu Ubaidah from Bangladesh Navy. This exercise is conducted between Bay of Bengal region. Next exercise is exercise Silnex 2024. It is its 12th edition. This exercise is conducted between Indian Navy and Sri Lankan Navy. This exercise is conducted at Colombo, Sri Lanka. Indian naval ships participated in this exercise were INS Jyoti and destroyer INS Arana, along with the Sri Lankan naval ship SLNS Gajabau and SLNS Vijabau, both advanced offshore patrol vessels. Next is Indian Navy's stealth frigate INS Turkish participated in exercise PASEX with the Royal New Zealand Navy at Gulf of Aden. Next exercise is exercise Jamata. The Indian Coast Guard and the Japanese Coast Guard conducted a joint exercise named Jamata, meaning "see you later" in Japanese. This exercise is conducted at Chennai coast in Tamil Nadu. The Japanese Coast Guard was represented by its ship Ichukushima Shikishima class patrol vessel. Next is Indian Navy's first training squadron reached Phuket Deep Sea Port as a part of its ongoing training deployed to South Asia. The squadron includes INS Shardul, INS Sujata, and Indian Coast Guard ship Veera. Next is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO launches Baltic Operation 2025. It's a 53rd premier multinational maritime exercise hosted by Latvia. Involves 16 NATO member states, approx 9,000 military personnel, more than 40 ships and 25 aircrafts. Next is exercise Talisman Sabre 2025. India participated in it. It is its 11th edition. It is a bilateral military drill led by Australia and USA. The exercise was held from 13 June to 4th August across multiple locations in Australia. It is the largest warfight exercise ever conducted in Australia, which united more than 35,000 military personnel from 19 nations. Next is Shaurya Vedam Utsav. This Utsav is conducted at Gandhi Maidan in East Champaran district of Bihar. In this, Indian Army displayed K9 Vajra self-propelled artillery gun, weapon location radar WLR Swathi, the T-90 Bhishma, the main battle tank, and the BMP infantry combat vehicles. And in this Utsav, the Indian Air Force displayed or performed a flag past featuring the Su-30 MKI fighter jets, two AN-32 transport aircraft, and Chetak helicopters. The elite Akash Ganga skydiving team of Indian Air Force performed a high-altitude combat freefall from 8,000 feet. Next is Indian Air Force launches exercise Akraman in Central Theatre with multi-theater asset. Next is exercise Rahat. It is an Indian Army NDRF Joint Forces exercise for disaster relief exchange in Nagaland. Next, Indian Coast Guard included Admaya, the first advanced patrol vessel. Fifth Coast Guard patrol vessel Anchal launches at Goa shipyard. Next is India tested extended range anti-submarine rocket. India tested SR from INS Kavarti to boost Navy's firepower. Next is maritime cooperative activity. India and Philippines conducted their first bilateral exercise in the South China Sea. In this exercise, the three Indian Navy vessels were participated, which is INS Delhi, INS Shakti, and INS Kiltan. Next is Indian Air Force retires its iconic MiG-21 fighter jet. MiG-21 is a supersonic fighter aircraft that becomes the backbone of Indian Air Force for over last 60 years. Next is Boeing built AH-64E Apache Guardian attack helicopters. Three of the attack helicopters were delivered to Indian Army. Next is Atmanirbhar Defense. The Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineer Limited had launched Nirdesh 2 survey vessel for Indian Navy. Next is Community Radio Station. It is the first ever radio station of Pithoragarh, now live at on 88.4 FM. Next news is Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link. It is the world's highest rail bridge on the river Chenab. Next news is Prime Minister Narendra Modi was honored with Mauritius' highest civilian award, the Grand Commander of Order of the Star and Key of Indian Ocean. He became the first Indian to receive this honor. It is its 21st international honor. Next is Prime Minister Narendra Modi conferred with the Argentina's the key to the city of Buenos Aires. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Kartavya Bhavan, the first of 10 buildings to bring all ministries under one roof. Next news is the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC and Indian Railway Finance Corporation IRFC were recently granted Navratna status by Government of India, making them the 25th and 25th Navratna CPSEs. Next news is Operation Brahma. India launched Operation Brahma to deliver humanitarian assistance to the earthquake affected in Myanmar. As a part of its effort, INS Satpura, INS Savitri, INS Karmuk, and LCU 52 were from Andaman and Nicobar Island participated in this operation. Madhav National Park, located in Chambal region of Madhya Pradesh, has been declared as 58th Tiger Reserve, which makes MP's ninth Tiger Reserve. Next is West Bengal's seventh new GI tags products. I have given the list over here. Next is Kumbakonam, betel leaf, and Thovalai flower garland received GI tag, which is from Tamil Nadu. The Goa's Ozu Feni became the first ever Feni to receive a GI tag. Tamil Nadu state government officially declares the creation of Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at Dhanushkodi in Ramanathapuram district. The new jumping spider species discovered in Karnataka. Rajnath Am, India's Mango Man, unveils new variety honoring Rajnath Singh. Two more wetlands gets Ramsar tags. India's Ramsar tally rises to 91. Two wetlands were Minar Wetland Complex, which is in Udaipur, and Kichang Wetland, which is in Balodi. India's second fully literate state. Goa became the India's second 100% literate state after Mizoram. Gujarat to become the second state to implement uniform civil code after Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the first state which implemented the uniform civil code. Next news is Yaktan village became India's first digital nomad village, which is in Sikkim. Next is ASI declares Lianpu Menhirs in Mizoram as monument of national importance. Next is Gujarat became the first state to support Cruise Bharat mission. Next news is Punjab government to launch Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana from October 2nd, scheme offering cashless medical treatment up to 10 lakh for every resident family in Punjab. Next news is India's first ever aquatic park inaugurated near Guwahati. Next news is Indore becomes India's first beggar-free city. Next important news is Maratha military forts added to UNESCO World Heritage List as India's 44th site, which includes 11 forts of Maharashtra, that is Saler Fort, Shivneri Fort, Lohgarh, Khanderi Fort, Raigarh, Rajgarh, Pratapgarh, Suvarnagarh, Panhalagarh, Vijayadurg, and Sindhudurg. Our next news is Operation Sindhu strategist Parag Jain is named as new Raw Chief. Next is B.R. Gavi became the 52nd Chief Justice of India. Next is IPS Sonali Mishra became the first woman Director General of Railway Production Force, that is RPF. Next news is from the 25th edition of International Indian Film Academy Awards. Best film categories: the best picture goes to Lapata Ladies, best director goes to Kiran Rao for Lapata Ladies, best story go in best story original in popular category goes to Bipal Goswami for Lapata Ladies, best story adapted goes to Sri Ram Raghav, Arijit Biswas, Pooja Lodha, Shruti. This is the list. You can note down all this in your notes. The Human Development Index, the Iceland ranked first, Norway ranked second, and Switzerland ranked third, and India ranked at 138th. Next report is the Wealth Report 2025, which is topped by US, followed by China, Japan, and India ranked at fourth. Next news is CCPI ranking this year. In this, no one achieved first three rank. Denmark stands at number four, then comes Netherlands, then UK at number six, and India at number 10. Next index is the Global Gender Gap Index 2025, in which Iceland ranked number one, Finland ranked two, Norway at number three, and India ranked at 131. Next report is World Report 10 Most Livable City in 2025. So the cities were, the first city is from Denmark, second is from Austria, and third is from Switzerland. The most expensive cities in the world is first is Singapore, second is London, and third is Hong Kong. The world's biggest tourism economies were first is USA, second one is China, third one is Japan, and India is at seventh number. Next news is from BRICS. In 2025, the BRICS summit was at Brazil, and Vietnam joins BRIC as a partner country. The participant members were Brazil, China, Egypt, Ethiopia, India, Indonesia, Iran, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, and United Arab Emirates. Next is 97th Oscar Awards. The winner of the Best Picture was Anora. The Best Actress was Mikey Madison. The Best Actress in Supporting Role was Zoe Saldan. The Best Director was Sian Baker. The Best Actor is Adrian Brody. Best Actor in Supporting Role was Kieran Culkin. Best International Feature Film is I'm Still Here. Best Cinematography goes to The Brutalist. News is Liu Junkin. He won the 2025 Pfizer Architecture Prize. Next news is Pope Francis, 266th head of Catholic Church, passed away at the age of 88. And then Robert Francis has been elected as the new Pope. Next news is Israel's Drone 1 satellite launches successfully with the help of SpaceX Falcon 9. World's most powerful passports. First one goes to Singapore, second one is Japan, second one along with Japan is South Korea, and India ranked at 77. Next news is Opal Suchata Chongsri from Thailand became the Miss World 2025. Sara Zafrani Zerani became the Prime Minister of Tunisia. Nitumbu Nandi N. Datwa became the first women president of Namibia. Kamala Prasad Bisesar became the ninth Prime Minister of TNT Tobago. Anilina Barebok was elected as President of 80th session of UN General Assembly. Luis Felipe Montenegro Cardoso became the Prime Minister of Portugal. Gombojav Zanda Zendan Hastar became the 34th Prime Minister of Mongolia. Salim Saleh bin Barak became the Prime Minister of Yemen. Mark Carney became the Prime Minister of Canada. Anthony Norman Albanese became the Prime Minister of Australia. Yulia Sviridenko became the 19th Prime Minister of Ukraine. Justin became the Prime Minister of Rwanda. Next is Yamandu Ursri became the President of Uruguay. Bryce Kalotari Oligui Nguema became the President of Gabon. Daniel Noboa became the President of Ecuador. Jane Lucille Kouassi became the President of Tongolese Republic. Keval Navorky became the President of Poland. Lee Jae-myung became the 14th President of Republic of Korea, that is South Korea. The 138th chapter of Wimbledon 2025 was the men's single was won by Jannik Sinner, who is from Italy. The women's single was won by Lega Swiatek from Poland. The men's double was won by Julian Cash and Leod Gaspol. Both were from UK. Women's double was won by Veronika Kundermentova. She is from Russia, and Elise Martinez. She is from Belgium. Mixed doubles was won by Sander Verbeek, is a Dutch, and Katrina Sinakova. She is from Czech. Next is 6-year-old Tejbir Singh from Punjab became the youngest to scale Mount Elbrus. The Chinese legend Miao Li-jin and Japanese icon Yuko Oga were named as ambassador for the 2025 FIBA Women's Asia Cup to be held in Shenzhen, China. Next is Max Verstappen. He won the Japanese Grand Prix Formula One. Then Oscar Piastri. He won Bahrain GP, Miami Grand Prix, Saudi Arabia Grand Prix, Belgian Grand Prix, Spain Grand Prix. Next is Chelsea Football Club has been crowned championship of FIBA Club World Cup 2025. Next is India won SAFF Under 19 Football Championship. Next is the mascot and logo of Khelo India Youth revealed, that is Gaj Sima. The Khelo India Youth Games was conducted at Bihar from 4 to 15 May 2025, and the tagline was Khel ke Rang Bihar ke Sang. The medal tallies goes like the first is Maharashtra with 24 gold, 21 silver, and 20 bronze. Second one is Karnataka, followed by third Rajasthan. Next is Beach Games, which was conducted at Diu, the Union Territory Administration of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The mascot was Pearl, and the medal tally was the Manipur secured the first rank, followed by Maharashtra second, and then Nagaland is third. The U Mumbai won the table tennis 2025 championship. The Khelo India Water Sports Festival, which is conducted from 21 to 23rd August 2025 at Jammu and Kashmir, Dal Lake. The mascot was Himalayan Kingfisher. Mohan Bagan Super Giants won the Indian Super League 2024-25 Cup by beating Bangalore FC in finals by 2-1. The awards in ISL goes the best grassroots program goes to Jamshedpur FC. The best elite youth program goes to Punjab FC. The Golden Glove Award goes to Vishal Khet of Mohan Bagan. The Golden Boot Award goes to Aladdin A. Jerry. The emerging player of the league goes to Barrison Fernandez. The Golden Ball goes to Aladdin Ajeri. Next is Indian women's kabaddi team clinches fifth Asian title. Next news is the Indian men and women kabaddi team won the Kabaddi World Cup 2025, which is held in England. Next news is India won the Champions Trophy 2025. Next is South Africa defeat the champions Australia by 5 wickets to won 2023-25 ICCI World Test Championship. And the last news for this is Sal Cup Namdu. RCB won the IPL 2025 trophy. So that's it for this video. Thank you. And tomorrow you all have your NDA and CDS exam. So all the best for your exams. And if you have any doubt, you can contact us on WhatsApp. That is 7058412408 is our WhatsApp number. You will get this PDF at the Telegram channel, that is just number 24, and you can also follow us on Instagram, same just number 24. Okay, thank you.